In Tlotso, you will be doing 3 exercises today. They're not very hard. They're quite quick as well. The first 2 are very, very, very simple. So you're going to be taking numbers from this box. Okay, so you're going to take one big number and one small number, and you're going to minus the 2. So I'm going to just choose 2 numbers, 0, 5, and 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so I've chosen these 2 numbers. So 5 minus 7, I cannot do that. It's too small, right? So I could take from there, but there's nothing there now. So first I'm going to take from here. So I'm going to turn the 7 into a 6, and I'm going to put the 1 that I took away from it over there. Now I can borrow from this. I can take this 10, turn it into a 9, and use the 5 as a 15. Okay, do you see that the 1 that I took from there, I put over there? Okay, now I can say 15 minus 7, and then I can get my answer, which is 8. Then I can say 9 minus 6, which is 3. Then I can say 6 minus 4, which is 2. Then I can say 5 minus 3, which is 2. Sorry, my hand is getting numb. Okay, so now, do you see how I borrowed there? I'm going to do the inverse operation. So I'm going to take my answer, 2, 2, 3, 8, and I'm going to take my smaller number, 3, 4, 6, 7, and I'm going to see if they add up. Okay, so I've taken my smaller number from there and my answer from there to make the sum. Now I'm going to do the sum. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 6 plus 4 is 10. Sorry, I take my unit and put it there, and I put the 10 up at the top here. Then I've got 4 plus 2, so that's 6, plus this one is 7, and then I have the 5. So now I check it. Are these 2 the same? 5705, 5705. They are correct. Let's do one more where we borrow, just to get the hang of it. So I'm going to take 3, 5, 6, 0, and I'm going to take 1, 8, 7, 0. Okay. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 7 I cannot do. So I'm going to take from there. I'm going to turn you into a 4 and steal your 1. 16 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 8, I cannot do that. So I'm going to take you, turn you into a 2, and put your 1 there. So 14 minus 8 would be 6. And 2 minus 1 would be 1. Okay, now I'm going to do the inverse, just to double check myself. I put my answer at the top, and I take my smaller number, and then I go 0. 9 plus 7 is 16. 7 plus 8, so 7 plus 7 would be 14, so this will be 15. And then 1, 2, and don't forget the baby one, 3. So now I check, are those 2 the same? Yes, 3, 5, 6, 0, 3, 5, 6, 0. Perfect. Then this one, you're just going to check the answers. Do the sum quick, just to make sure that they are correct. And then your exercise 11.4 is going to be slightly more difficult. You're only going to do 3 of each of them. I'm going to do the first one for you. So the first one is for number 1. So all of number 1s you're going to do this way. Okay, you're going to do the breaking down method. So to break it down, I'm going to say 1,521. Okay, on this one it's 6,100, 0 tens and 7. Now I can put my thousands together. So I'm going to put brackets 1,000 plus 6,000. Okay, now I'm going to put a plus there. I'm going to put my hundreds together. 500 plus 100. Then I'm going to do my 20s. 20, I already know that that's just 20 because of the zeros. And then my units. Okay, so 1 plus 7. So now I know 6,000 plus 1,000 would be 7,000. plus 500 and 100 would be 600, plus my 20, plus my 1 and my 7, which would be 8. Then I just write it out. 7,628. 7,628. 7,628. For exercise 11.4 number 2, you're going to use compensation. So what they mean is 5, 6 plus 2, 6, 8. You're going to round this number. Okay? So you're going to round this number first. So you're going to say 1,000 plus